In this video, I will explain how to create new budget. We could also call it new plan, scenario, or forecast, but for this video, I'm sticking to the name budget. To create a new budget, we first need to select a budget, ideally one that will function as foundation for our new budget. By clicking on the Create New Budget button, a pop-up window appears. The first input field is for the name of the new budget. Clicking the Add button adds a new row in the table below. Each row equals a different year in the new budget. I can manually change the budget year by clicking into the field. For my scenario, I want to create a new budget for the years 2024 to 26 with a 5% growth. I am choosing my initially selected year as foundation budget for 2 years, but for the last year, I'm going with a different base year. The planning factor regulates how much of the foundation budget goes into the new budget. If I enter 100%, all the values will be taken one-to-one. A value of 120% increases all values by 20%. If we enter 0%, all the values will be set to 0, and only the dimensions will be transferred. As I want a 5% growth, I'm entering 105% for each year. If the Pre-fill Missing Periods button is activated, all unselected periods are automatically filled with 0 to ensure the completeness of the budget. This button is active by default. With everything filled out correctly, I can click on OK to close the pop-up window. Now I can see my newly created budget. Clicking on the year collapses the table to its yearly total, so we can have a better look at all the years. However, I still need to hit the Save Data button to really save the budget into the database. Successfully saved, the just created budget is now available in the budget drop-down list.